This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on playing 4 melodies together that are written in the key of G flat major. So we've got 6 flats that we're going to be reading. Of course, we are reading these melodies in standard music notation and playing them in first position, as that is the focus of this lesson series. And as we're playing these, we'll be jamming right along with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment, which makes it a fun jamming good time. This video accompanies lesson 24 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 152 and 153 doing songs 9, 10, 11, and 12. Each one of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. We're really familiar with everything that we're going to run into with any of these melodies, so I'm not going to mention any instructions because we've just been working on so much great stuff through this entire lesson series. And in the last video, I introduced this key and we worked on playing the G flat major scale in first position. So we are ready to jam on these melodies together. So let's go ahead and do it. Each one's going to happen twice. First at that slower tempo and then at that faster tempo. So let's play them together. All right, fantastic. In the next video, we're going to play the other 4 melodies that are part of lesson 24 in the book, so we get to do some more jamming together in this key. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.